Hey everybody, this is your girl Curly Candy and thank you so much for clicking on my video. So if you want to see how I got these defined and bouncy curls on damaged hair, stay tuned, and also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. Bye. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I parted my hair into 4 sections. I already started on this side. I already did the finger coiling on this side, which you can see. You see how those curls are popping? Ew. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on this back side of my hair. Now, as you can see, the back of my hair isn't really damaged. Like most naturals, the back is popping, but the front looks a hot mess. So I'm going to show you how to do the back, and then after I do the back, we'll go to the front and just work on the damage. So I'm going to take down my little bun. So this is the freshly washed and conditioned hair. Nothing's in it but my leave-in conditioner, which is the Cream of Nature mango and shea butter. Nothing special about it. I just got it because it was cheap and it smells good. So that's why I stick with it. Okay, so straight from the leave-in conditioner, I'm going with the Texture, oops, sorry y'all, the Texture ID styling cream. I'm just gonna do a little bit because y'all, this stuff is real thick and I don't know, it kind of stinks. Like, you know, it smells like cardboard. That's what it smells like. But anyway, I'm just gonna get like this much. And so I'm just gonna rake this through. Okay, and then from the Texture ID, I'm going to use this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz. I just use it because I feel like it makes my hair extra shiny. I just use like 1.5 pumps of it. And I'm going to coat that in my hair as well. All right, now that that's all the way finger comb, whatever, I put it in. All right, so after I put that in, now I'm going to go through and style for my styling gel. I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme. I have the blue kind. No reason why I got the blue kind, I just did. But I do like the Wetline Extreme. I like it more than the Eco Styler gel. Eco Style makes my hair flake up so bad. Like, I can't mix it with anything. Like, by the next day, I don't know, I have to wash my hair. It looks like I have dandruff. But just be careful with this, because even though there are a lot of YouTubers that are saying that you know, that it doesn't flake and it's so amazing, to me it does flake if you use a whole bunch, but it's still less flakes than Eco Styler for me. So just take it with a grain of salt. People are saying like it's like the end all be all of gels. It's not, but it is to me better than Eco Style. All right, so anyway, I'm going to get a little section of my hair. I hope y'all can see. And I pinned that up. So I'm just gonna get this little section of my hair. And it's still wet, so I won't have to use any water. But if you feel like your hair is dry, please y'all grab your water bottle. Do not do this on dry hair. Make sure your head is moist. And grab some of this gel. I'm just gonna add a little bit on this little small piece and rake it through. And then I'm going to take my bootleg dimming brush, because it's not a real dimming brush. Yeah, I got it from Sally's Beauty. It was cheaper. It's right next to the dimming brush, but it was cheaper, so I grabbed it. And then you want to, I hope y'all can see, I feel like y'all can't, just curl it around your finger, and then it'll look like that. And you just do this across your whole head. Just take it and twirl. Take it and twirl. Can you see? Ain't they cute? All right. And so I just keep doing this across my whole head, guys. And don't be discouraged, because I know you're probably thinking, oops, messed up my other section. But anyway, I know you're probably thinking that, man, that's gonna take forever. It does take forever, but the more you do it, the shorter it'll get, if that makes sense. Like when I first started finger coiling my hair, it would take me 6 hours to do my whole head. But now that I have done it, I do this like every week. So I do this once a week. So now that I've done it a couple of times, my hair is starting to train itself. My curls are training itself. So now I would have to really like work and like really like finger coil it now. It kind of just know what to do already. At least in the back. The back already knows what to do. So and then once you get used to doing it, you know, you'll get faster. Then your hair will cooperate more. Your hair will already know what to do. And so, like me, like I went from 6 hours to now it takes me 3 hours, which is a big jump for me. I mean, I'm happy about that, because I used to have to like take off of work or something to do my hair. But now I'm so happy I can just do it in 3 hours. It's quick for me. And then hopefully, you know, the more I keep doing it, that 3 hours can go down even further. But yeah, just don't give up. Just train your curls. Train them. Promise, they'll listen. Alright, so again, I'm doing it again. I'm just smoothing it through. There you go. Just smooth it through. Get a little bit more water. Then you just grab a piece. Grab a piece, twirl it. Oh, and let it go. I think that was it. Grab a piece, twirl it, and let it go. And you'll see it. And don't try to make them too small, but don't make them too big either. Just kind of go with the way your hair naturally want to separate, and then just try to stick with that. And then if your roots like me are some of my roots are like really, really frizzy, hold it at the root and twist. Like make a twist and then finger coil it down. That'll help control the frizziness at the root a little bit, because it's a little bit, but alright, so that's one section done. You can see, well, not one section, but one, whatever, it's done. So I'm just about to go ahead and finish on my whole head, because the back of my head, like I said, cooperates more, it's easier. And then after I'm done with this, I'll take you to the front where the damage is, so I can show you again how to finesse it, how to make it work. Ooh, look, snitch. Okay. Anyway, so I'll show you how to how my hair looks when I get to the front. Now it's not gonna look, I don't want to boost y'all up to make y'all think like, ooh, the front is about to be real flash, really about to finesse it. It's not gonna look like the back. It's still gonna look different. It's still gonna look a little struggly, but it's better than if I just like wash it and let it go. But anyway, all right, so keep watching and I'll see y'all when I'm in the front. So now I'm at the front of my hair. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but I have a totally different hair texture in the front. My hair is still damaged up front, so it's like frizzy and not really curly, kind of like wavy. I don't know, it's wavy and frizzy, and like I have to do the finger coiling in the front of my hair to make it look like something. And so when I get to the front, I just spend a good little bit curling it at the root. I might need some more gel, and I definitely need way more gel when I get to the front. Look at that. Like I said, it's not much, but if your hair is damaged, or oops, got an extra piece, but if your hair is damaged in the front, won't curl, well, damaged anyway, if your hair is damaged, won't curl, really frizzy, finger coiling is your friend, sis. I'm telling you. You better finger coil it. You better finger coil that mess. Like, my hair even feels different up front. Like, it just, I don't know. Like, my hair up front just feels, it feels rough. It feels dry. And like, I deep condition. Yeah, at one point I deep conditioned too much, so I had to do a protein treatment. And it's like, no matter what I do to the front of my hair, it just won't, it won't cooperate. It doesn't like me at all. Look at it. Not a dang curl in sight. Okay, now this is the perfect piece to talk about damage. Look at that. Ain't a curl in sight. It's just limp with like a little wave. And so again, you just have to finger coil for your life. It's not the best, but it's something. Like, you can't really tell in the camera. I wish I could see this mirror, but the difference of, like, right here is the curls are so curly, so popping, and then it's just like, eh. Like, if I just lift this up, y'all see them? And then the front just has no life. It just gave up. So with me, I'll cut some dead ends off in a hot second, but with the front of my hair, it's dead all the way to the root. And so I'm gonna be rocking a mullet. If I cut it off, it just be like this up front, then it's long in the back. at that, and look at the frizz in it, y'all. But when you put it all together, it doesn't look so bad. It blends as good as it can with your good curls. Yeah, it is trying. So now I'm going to do the other side. Alright guys, so I am done finger coiling my whole head. If you can see, I don't even know how long it took me this time. I didn't even time it, but as you can see, your girl got some shrinkage, but it'll stretch out tonight when I pineapple it. Anyway, I'm about to sit up under my hooded dryer to just minimize frizz, because like I said before, I have a huge problem with frizz. So I'm going to sit up under the dryer, and then I'll see you guys when I'm back. Alright guys, so I just got from up under the dryer. I was under the dryer for about 45 minutes. My hair is about, I want to say like 75-80% dry. So tonight when I go to sleep, I will pineapple it and then just take it loose in the morning. Hopefully once I pineapple it, usually what happens is that it'll give me some length. It'll stretch out the curls so it won't be so short. It at least come down to like right here, I guess. It'll give me some length because right now it's way too short. But yeah, this is the finished result and I hope you like it. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube video. So if you would guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have loads of content to share with you guys. I have more hair tutorials, I have lifestyle videos. I just have a lot of ideas bouncing around in my head. So if you want to see those videos and make sure that you catch every video that I post one every week, please subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can make sure that you don't miss it. And then also click the notification button so that way you can be notified whenever I do post a video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.